I love my new boat. Whoosh, whoosh, whoa, whoa, whoosh. It's raining so hard. I know. I wish we could go outside so my boat could have a proper adventure on the wide open sea.
Poor Oakley, outdoors in all this rain.
I don't mind. My ribs haven't had such a big, long drink in years.
Maybe we should have picked another day to go camping.
But this is perfect, Archie. We can test the tent to see if it's waterproof.
I just wish it wasn't so cramped in here.
Oh, no. Don't tickle my nose. Oh, that's gonna make me...
No, don't sneeze! You'll blow the tent down! Quick, pinch your nose!
Poke your ears!
Think of penguins!
The tent may be waterproof, but it isn't sneeze-proof.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, come on, let's get it back up. Up a bit, Big Bear. Whoa! Down a bit, Will.
It stopped raining.
Whoa! Let's go!
It's lovely to be outside. Oh, but everything's still very wet.
The sandpit is still a bit small. I'm going to try the pool at the showground. See you later!
Oh, Rosie, come quickly. There's been a flood.
Oh, no! It must have been all that rain.
And look, Mrs. Maudie and our son. They're stuck over there on the other side.
But the bridges are underwater. How can we rescue them? You could try and sail across on this. Oh.
Oh, dear. I don't think that'll do at all. But that might. It's a perfect boat. Come on, son. Off we sail.
You're going to need a better boat. Of course! Raggles!
Wow! This is even bigger than the showground. Perfect for sailing my boat.
And your first passengers are waiting.
Welcome aboard.
Come on, little one. Off we sail.
Row, row, row your brolly gently down the stream.
Row your brolly gently down the stream.
Merrily, merrily, merrily,
Sails on the alley, alley-o.
Like a ship
The alley,
sails on the alley,
alley-o. The
alley-o.
alley, alley-o. The Raggles ship sails on the alley, alley-o. On the last day of September.
On the last day of September.
Don't worry, my dears. We're here to rescue you. Eh? Where are they?
Don't worry, my lovelies. We're here to rescue you. Hey, where've they gone?
There they are. Wait there. We'll come and get you.
Oh, there they are, over there. We're on our way.
We were coming to rescue you.
And we were coming to rescue you.
The antenna.
It's out of control. Oh, no. The antenna's broken. I can't control it.
Oh, dear. Now we're stuck.
And there's no wind, so we can't even use my hat as a sail.
At least we're all together. But how are we going to get back to dry land now?
Oh, not again. I know! Bluebird, can you fly to the umbrella and pull it back?
Oh, I can try. Sorry, I'm not strong enough.
OK, so I can't throw the rope far enough and you can't pull the umbrella. But what if you fly the rope over and tie it on? Then I pull it back. Yes!
Great idea.
Aha! This calls for a special knot. The clove hitch.
Never fear, Rosie. We'll rescue the Mordies.
In a jiffy.
Thank you. I knew you'd be able to help. Oh. Again! I'm sorry I've wasted your time. It looks like no one needs rescuing after all.
Not with Raggles' rope ferry. Climb on board, Matt and Nat.
Oh, this is what I call...
Travelling in style. Oh no! It's stuck!
The floodwater's draining away.
Thank you.
Ah, thank you, Raggles, for rescuing us and for your marvellous rope ferry service. Oh, hooray for Raggles!
Ready for the boat race, Raggles? Raggles? Wow! What a great boat!
Oh, thanks, Rosie. I have to beat Will this time. Look. I've put a bigger sail on to make it go even faster.
Hi, Rosie. Time for me to win the boat race. Again.
You might not win this time, Will. Raggles has made a fantastic boat.
Really? Let me see.
It's secret.
Well, it'll never be as good as mine. I always win, remember?
2 hours till the boat race starts, Raggles. I'm going to set up the finishing line.
Oh, this is miles better than anything Raggles has built.
Thanks for helping, Big Bear. This is the best boat I've ever made.
Hi, Big Bear.
Oh, hello, Will.
Holly, I bet your boat isn't as fast as mine.
Actually, I think it might be even faster. Come on, Big Bear. Let's test it.
I need to see that boat, just to make sure I'm going to win.
Finished.
That's lovely, Rosie. Oh, hello, Bluebird. Why are you wearing a bush?
I'm camouflaged, like Archie.
Not quite like me. When I want to hide, no one can see me.
It's not fair. Bluebird.
Wow. Psst. Archie, I'm Will. And I need you to join me on a top-secret spy mission.
Sounds fun.
Oh, no. It's very, very important. You're about to join the winning boat race crew.
At your service, Will. Let's go.
Very funny. So, what were the boats like?
Well, Raggles' boat had a big round thing on top of it. What do you call them?
A balloon?
That's it. And Holly's made a flappy sound.
You mean it had flaps? What else?
I didn't really notice. I was too busy being a top secret spy. Oh, shh, 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 shh.
Flaps and a balloon. I can do that. Let's see. Better get rid of these bits first.
Ready, steady.
Oh, no!
Come on! Yay! I'm winning! Oh, no, it's stuck. Look, we're winning.
Uh-oh.
Now it's going to sink. What's the use?
Will, look.
Oh, I'm winning again. Sort of.
Look, they've stuck together.
The boats are flying away.
Get them, Big Bear!
They're too high up. No one can get them now.
Yes, they can. Go on, Bluebird.
Before I present the prize for the boat race, I'd like to mention someone very special.
We all know who's special around here.
Bluebird. Without her flying skills, there would have been no boats to finish the race.
Oh, it was nothing, really.
And now for the trophy. First prize goes to all of you.
Hooray! What's the matter, Will?
I cheated. I used Archie to spy on the other boats. I don't deserve to share the trophy.
It is wrong to cheat.
But Will's boat did help ours to win.
And anyone can make a mistake, but it takes a special person to admit it. We want Will to have first prize too, don't we?
Yes! And now it's time for some special magic. Ladies and gentlemen, see, the hat is empty. Kazip, kazabara! Ta-da!
Oh, hello there, Will.
It's a lovely day, Will.
Hi, Will. We were calling you. Why didn't you stop?
Eh? Oh, I'm a bit busy. Sorry.
Are you looking for something?
Biscuits? To go in your biscuit tin?
I'm looking for the perfect spot to put my time capsule.
What's a time capsule?
I'm going to fill this tin with things and bury it really deep in the ground.
Great! Why?
So people will find it a long, long time in the future. But first I've got to find the right place to put it.
You could ask Oakley. He knows more about the garden than anyone.
Oh, thanks, Rosie.
This is fascinating. A time capsule.
I need a nice, quiet spot to bury it. Do you know anywhere, Oakley?
Here, right here.
We would need to dig a hole.
And it might tickle your roots.
I don't mind. Among my roots is the perfect place for a time capsule. It just feels right somehow.
Oh, yay! Thanks!
Fancy, fancy, Christmas! If Manny comes, you haven't seen me. What's this about a time capsule? What things will you put in it, Will?
I'm not sure yet, but there'll be interesting things, important things.
Can we put things in it too?
Yes, I suppose so.
Come on, let's find something.
Oh, I've got lots of interesting things.
I want to put in this picture I painted. There's me and there's Raggles.
I'm putting in my turbo racing car. What about you, Raggles?
My second best kite.
My frying pan. I've made many a tasty pancake with this.
All right, as long as that's the last thing.
This was my first violin. Can I put it in the time capsule, please?
That might be a problem. People of the future shall know of Bluebird, finest nest builder ever in the whole garden. Ever.
Bluebird?
Get in! But my kite's more interesting than Rosie's painting. Nothing's more interesting than my nest.
I'll just pick the most interesting thing for the capsule. My car.
Not fair!
If we choose small things that are important to us, everyone can put something in.
OK, but hurry up so we can bury it. That's the fun bit. Small, but still turbocharged.
One of my favourite buttons.
That's my second best yo-yo.
I made this bracelet. Bye, bracelet.
Lovely idea, Holly.
And I made this bear. It's me.
Feather!
Bottle top.
Good. Everyone's put something in.
Except me.
There's still room for your special thing.
Oh, but I can't think of one, Holly.
What about a leaf?
Leaves don't last very long, Raggles.
I know. A twig.
Thanks, Holly, but I don't think a twig is special enough. Oh, the people of the future won't find anything special from me.
Can we dig the hole now?
Oh, what was that?
It's a box.
Let's open it. Something's fallen out. Look. Quick, catch that piece of paper.
Thanks, Bluebird. Well done, Manny.
It's a photograph.
A very, very old photograph. That looks like Oakley's hill.
But where's Oakley?
May I have a look?
It's Oakley. Look.
Yes, that's me. When I was very young, many, many years ago. Dear me, I'd forgotten all about that.
Now I know what Oakley can put in the time capsule.
Come on, you two, make friends.
Say cheese.
No, say Oakley.
Oakley! Look, Oakley. That's you years and years ago. And this is you now, with all your friends. Let's put both photos in the time capsule.
I've never been so proud in all my long years.
Yes, you've grown from a skinny little tree to the biggest oak in the whole garden.
No, it's having all of you as my friends. That's why I'm so proud.
It! Got you!
We're going to keep all our clutter at the Playhouse so everyone can choose the things they like.
Clutter, you say? Ooh, I've got so much clutter. Follow me, little acorns.
Ah, a spot of recycling. Good idea, Rosie.
Buttons, bottle tops.
Quick sticks! Bouncy, bouncy! Flitter, flitter!
The bag's nearly full, little acorns. Nearly full? Oh, so where do I put the rest of my clutter?
Maybe we should find a way to collect everyone's clutter, Raggles.
Another great idea.
Thank you, Oakley. Oh, shells, beads, sequins. Oh, there must be hundreds. Do you really need them all, Holly?
Well, they do take up a lot of space.
Oops.
All right, I'll get some things ready for the clutter collection. But who do you think might want them, Bluebird?
Oh, I'm sure there's someone out there who could find a use for them.
Oh, I love your clutter cart, Will.
It's a turbo-boosted, supersonic,
Whatever it's called, it's brilliant!
Don't forget to pick up Big Bear's clutter.
I might just hang on to this wood. I'm sure I'll need it one day.
Come on, Big Bear. If I can get rid of my clutter, so can you.
I suppose my den will look better without it.
but the cart doesn't.
Let's take everything back to the Playhouse.
Phew, made it. Yahoo! I knew I had another piece of clutter. My old feathers.
No! Look!
Oh dear. Now your cart's a pile of clutter too. Sorry, Will.
Come on, let's find a good place to store these things.
That is a lot of clutter.
Never mind. One person's rubbish is someone else's treasure. Everyone can choose what they like.
Come to Bluebird. La 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 la.
Yes!
Hello, Mr. Robot.
Hold these, Big Bear.
My turn.
I want to play too. Sorry, Robot. It wasn't me. It was the clutter. It tripped me up.
We've still got so much left over.
We'll have to throw some things away after all.
But that'd be a shame. Let's make some more special things.
But everyone's got the things they want, Holly.
Not everyone. What about Oakley?
Oakley's a tree. Trees don't need anything.
Except sun, water, and a gentle breeze. I've got a great idea.
Goodness me. What's this?
Hi, Oakley. We've got something
A very special something.
to show you. Ready?
Not really, but, go on. Yes. I've never seen anything like it. What is it?
It's a wind sculpture, Oakley.
Or a turbo-boosted.
Supersonic breeze blaster! The wheels were mine.
It's just like you, Oakley. All it needs is sun, water,
And wind. We didn't waste a thing. See? Just like you.
Well, thank you. It's the most amazing thing I've ever seen. I'll treasure it.
Safi said one person's rubbish is someone else's treasure. We'll take it to show her too.
Oh, yes, you must. But not just yet. Oh, I could watch it for hours.
What's Will got all those things for, Rosie?
Looks like it could be fun.
Let's go.
Will's been putting things all over the place all morning. What are they for, Holly?
These hoops are great for hopping. Oh, hello, Big Bear. Hello, Little Bear. Yo!
Hello, Holly.
Big Bear! Yo! Little Bear thinks you're amazing. Big Bear, amazing! What are these things for, Will?
I'll show you.
Look! Funny round things. Who put them there? Who?
Me. I've built an obstacle course.
A vertical course?
Obstacle! You have to do lots of different things all over the garden. Like these hoops here that you have to get over your head.
Like this?
What else do we have to do?
Oh, everything. Come on, let's go.
Ooh, this should be interesting. Here we are at the stepping stones where Holly's going like the wind. Ooh, Raggles on the balance bar. Will he make it to the end? Yes, yes! No. Better luck next time, Raggles. 1, 2. That's 3 misses for Rosie. Will at the hula hoop challenge. And now off he goes on the downhill gallop. Rosie, preparing for the rope jump. A big one, this. But no problem for Rosie. Holly and Raggles take the flower pot challenge in their stride. But Big Bear hasn't started yet. Oh, come on, Big Bear. Why haven't you started?
Little Bear is a bit small to go on any obstacles, you see, so I'll just stay with him.
Big Bear, Little Bear, try this. Whoops!
Big Bear!
I know. Let's go and see Oakley again. Coming, Bluebird.
Huh? Big Bear! Not too quick. Take your time. Ooh, keep calm. Don't panic. Don't panic.
What's going on?
I'm trying to help Big Bear train for Will's balance bar.
Train? Why? Just have a go, Big Bear.
Oh, I'm no good at it, Rosie. I'll fall off. I know I will.
That doesn't matter, does it?
Little Bear thinks I can do anything, and, well, I mustn't let him down.
But I'm sure Little Bear thinks the world of you, whatever you do.
Maybe, but I don't want to disappoint him. I've really got to learn how to do this. And soon.
It's Raggles the penguin!
It's not funny.
If you say so, it's the not funniest thing I've seen all day. Race you!
Hey!
Oops.
No! Fix your eye on the end of the log, like so. Then walk towards it, nice and slow.
But I am. I'm just no good at balancing.
I know what's wrong. Bluebird can balance with her wings tucked in, but we have to put our arms out to help us, like this. See? I never thought of that.
Here goes. Oh, look at me. Oh, thanks, Rosie. Thanks, Bluebird. Little Blair, here I am.
Are you ready? Are you steady? Go!
Arms out, arms out, arms out. Go.
Big Bear! Amazing!
Wow, the moon is so big, Rosie. Oh, I wonder what it's like up there. I've heard the moon's made of cheese. It would be really tasty if it's true. I don't think so, Raggles. Oh, I'd love to visit the moon. I could eat it, moonwalk, meet some moonmen, and space hop too. I'm going to go there. But how? I'm not sure yet, but I'll find a way. I'll visit the moon tomorrow evening. But Raggles, I don't think it's quite that easy. Blast off! Moon dust! Yummy cheese. Raggles? Where are you? Oh my goodness! Raggles really is going to try to go to the moon.
Are you sure this will work, Raggles? The moon is an awfully long way away.
I think so. I can jump really high, and I've got all day to practice until the moon comes out again. Raggles, there you are.
You're just in time, Rosie. Raggles is going to bounce to the moon.
Really? Yes, and I've got lots of space training to do before the proper launch later, so I need to get on with it. Ready, everyone? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Oh, no. I can't jump high enough. Flap your wings. That'll make you go higher. Oh, I haven't got any wings. Flap your arms instead.
Go on, Raggles!
That's it. Flap a little harder.
Jump, Raggles!
Higher! Higher! Now fly! Whee! Hello? Are you a moon man? Have I reached the moon? Am I there? Not quite, Raggles.
Oh, never mind. I will get to the moon, somehow. One big step for Raggles. One great big leap on the moon.
Perfect, Raggles. You look just like a proper astronaut.
Great! Just need to eat some more cheese for my moon training. But how am I going to get there? What's that?
What are you doing, Raggles? You look funny.
It's my spacesuit. I'm going to the moon. Just as soon as I find out how to get there.
What you need is a rocket.
A rocket?
Yep, and I can make one for you.
Brilliant! Well, what are we waiting for?
You'll need to be quick if you're going to launch it tonight. The moon will be out soon.
This spot is nice and high and closest to the moon. Perfect for launch.
Are you ready, Raggles? Done your training? Got everything you need?
Yes, yes, and yes.
Good luck, Raggles. Reach for the moon!
Yeah!
Go on, Raggles!
Good luck! Thanks, everyone. I'll bring you all a piece of moon cheese.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
It's gone. Oh. Stop that rocket! Raggles, are you okay?
You were right, Rosie. I'll never be able to visit the moon.
Oh, Raggles.
If only the real moon was as close as that reflection in the stream.
If Raggles can't get to the moon, maybe the moon can come to Raggles.
Raggles!
Raggles, hurry up!
It's time!
Huh? Time for what?
Come on, Raggles, hurry. The rocket is ready to launch and I'm coming with you.
But
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Yay!
I know you were really upset when you didn't get to visit the moon, Raggles. So, we brought the moon to you instead. I hope you like it.
I love it! And a proper moon feast too! Yummy! Rosie, watch this!
Bluebird, are you all right?
You crashed. Crash? I didn't crash. It was just the wind. It knocked me off course.
But it isn't windy today.
Gently does it, Bluebird.
I don't need to go gently. I'm not scared.
Are you all right?
Ta-da!
Did you mean to do that?
It was very dramatic, Bluebird.
Don't worry, Bluebird. We all have bumps. The best thing to do is get straight back up into the sky.
Up in the sky? I'd love to, Teal, but I think I've done enough exercise today. Actually, I think I'm rather bored of flying. I'll just take a stroll back to my nest.
Would you like a lift, Bluebird?
Thanks, Rosie. It's a long way home.
It'd be much quicker if you flew, Bluebird.
No thanks. Staying on the ground is much more fun. Oh, you can see all kinds of stuff from down here. Wheels are great, you know.
Hi, Rosie. Fancy a race?
Bluebird's a bit shaken up, so I'm taking her home. We need to go slowly.
Slowly? No, we don't. Race you to your place.
Oh, yeah!
Come on, Rosie. Yippee! Whee! This is fantabulous. Wheels are the best.
But Bluebird, what about flying?
Flying? Why fly when you can wheel?
But you can't have Rosie drive you everywhere. You're in Raggles' place.
You're right, Teal. Rosie, I need wheels of my own.
No problem, Bluebird. Well, this'll be fun.
Oh, but Bluebird really belongs in the air.
Don't worry, Rosie. Bluebird will soon find that out for herself.
Wheels of my very own.
Ta-da!
Wow! What's that?
A bird board. Jump on, I'll show you. You put your wings on these and flap to move the wheels.
What do you think, Bluebird?
Whee!
Bluebird?
I'm the first bird on wheels. All this bird boarding's wearing me out. Time for a snooze in my nest. How am I going to get up there?
Fly up, of course.
But I can't. What if I crash? I mean, of course, I can't go up there. I'm a wheelie bird now.
What's wrong, Bluebird? Why isn't she getting into her nest?
She needs to fly to get up there, and I think she's scared of flying after her crash.
I did not crash.
Rosie, look what I found.
I was scared of it, but Big Bear told me it was more scared of me, and it needed us to help it, and now I'm not scared anymore.
You're right, Holly. Sometimes we need someone else to help us when we're scared. Will, we need to make some little adjustments to that bird board.
I've done exactly as you said, Rosie.
And we found you the perfect place to spend the night. Oh, great. Where is it?
Follow me, Bluebird.
Whoa! I'm flying. I'm flying. I've still got it.
Oh, it's great to have you back, Bluebird.
Whee! It's fantastic up here. I can't believe I left the sky for some silly old wheels. Yay!
I think Will's missing his racing partner.
Rabbit board race, anyone?
Never mind, Raggles. Maybe you'll win next time.
Oh, you only just beat me. But if I was a bird and you were a bird, I'd definitely fly faster than you.
How do you know?
I just know I'd be a great bird. Night-night, Rosie.
I suppose you could flap your ears as well as your arms.
Then I'd be extra, extra fast. Raggles the bird bunny. Whoosh!